Planet Web is in despair. Every day, its inhabitants, the Webians, must develop new 3.0 applications. Their challenge? Accessing Planet Legacy Mainframe's precious resources. But how will they reach this lost world? To most Webians, the mainframe is in a long-forgotten galaxy, populated by aliens who use ancient languages and protocols. Yet life on Planet Web depends on the mainframe's precious resources. So to resolve their problem, the Webians consult an old sage. He tells them about Virtel, a spaceship that can fly non-stop to Planet Mainframe. A breeze to pilot, Virtel will allow the Webians to safely reach the mainframe's precious resources through familiar web pages and services. With Virtel Web Access, Chrome, Edge, Safari, and their friends will easily access legacy application screens with no legacy application changes and no intermediate servers. With Virtel Web Modernization and Virtel Web Integration, the Webians will easily, safely, and quickly transport any data they want back and forth between mainframe and Web 3.0 applications. Again, with no legacy application changes. In the end, in record time and within budget, the mainframe resources can at last be harvested to feed Planet Web through first-class services. Using Virtel will interconnect Planet's web and legacy mainframe. So go ahead and climb aboard our Virtel spaceship.